Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you have some solid state drives sitting around and you want to clone them. Maybe you want to back up your data. Maybe your computer crashed and you want to transfer it, because it is basically SSD cloner drive. You can also just use it to access your data. So this was sent over by a company called xiaobi. It's going to come in this little box right here. Naturally, you're going to get a user manual. We're covering a lot of the features here in the video. Now, it does come with a nice little short cable here. This is how you're going to plug it into your computer or your laptop. It has a USB Type-C port, which will go on the back side of the device. And then on the other side, it has a USB 3.0 port, or you can go ahead and plug it into the USB-C. I would recommend C to C because it's a faster connection if you do have those ports on your computer. And then it's going to have just a standard plug to power up the device itself. But as you can see, this thing is super compact. It's nice and small. To give you an idea, it's about 3 1/4 inches wide. It's about 2 3/4 inches in depth and about 3/4 in height. On the back side, you're going to notice you're going to have basically the port where you plug it in, the USB-C, and then the on-off little switch, as simple as that. On the top part, you're going to have your source drive and your target drive. In the middle is your copy button. So when you are plugging this in, you're simply going to put in your source drive first, and then you are going to then put in your target drive second. Don't put them both in and then start it up. You want to make sure that your source is in there first to do the cloning aspect. And you'll notice there's little lights here at the kind of front. It'll show you essentially where it is in the process of cloning, and then it'll show you the 2 lights for the front or the back side. Because like I said, you can just plug your device in here if you need to access your files if you wish. Now, this is supported up to the M.2 NVMe SATA solid state drives, as long as they have the keys down here that are the M, which is just the 1 slot, or the M+B key, which is the one I have here that you can see slot. So depending on whatever your slot is, it should work as long as it is the M or the M+B slots, and depending on your length. As far as that transferring speed, if you are using the C-to-C connection, you're gonna get up to about 20 gigabits per second as far as transferring to your PC itself. But very, very easy to use. Like I said, it's also plug and play. So it's just gonna show up in like your Windows Explorer, and you'll see it as a separate little drive as long as your solid state is already formatted for that. But it's very, very easy. Like I said, if you are in the market and you're looking for a great way to clone your little solid state drives to a new one, or you're just looking to access the files, this is a totally worth checking out item. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.